leaves come out, the spiders do too. What you doing down there? Free labor. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Stickin To It, and I hope everybody is having an amazing day today. Today is Memorial Day, so I'm off from work, and I decided to go harvest some walking sticks. I'm going to go to my aunt's land, which I have been to before, but I'm also going to some land that I've never been to before, and there's possibly a pond there I can go fishing. Hopefully, maybe I can go fishing there. Maybe there's some monster bass, maybe not, I don't know. But I'm heading that way to go harvest as many walking sticks as I can. It's going to be a hot day today. Not as hot as it was yesterday, but it's going to probably end up being in the upper, about mid-90s maybe. Humidity is off the charts right now. Right now it's only 80 degrees, but the cloud cover's pretty good. But it's supposed to rain at some point today. I don't really have any signal on my phone, so I'm not able to check the radar and see what's going on. But I'm heading that way down the dirt road right now, and it's such beautiful country out here. So I'm going to turn this camera around. Ew, that's bumpy. So I'm going to turn this camera around, put on a little time lapse, and show you guys some beautiful back roads in South Georgia. All right, hey buddy, it's a little puppy here. Hey guys, I am being greeted. Hey, I'm being greeted. Especially got this guy here. I'm being greeted. Hey, you've seen me before, just don't remember me. Got this little frou-frou right there. Oh, easy. Ain't it easy, buddy? Oh, ain't like that. All right, got my aunt and uncles, and they're gonna lead me off to a nice little walking stick that they found with a vine on it, maybe, just for them. All right, into the jungle.
My nephew's been in here cutting.
I see that. Yeah, I got to show you this new bait that I just bought. Or not new, it's a zoom worm, but it's a new color that's out there now. It's called Bruised Banana.
Bruised banana?
Bruised Banana.
So it's brown?
Alright, so let's say there's a vine one in here. Found some maples though. So it's in here?
Yes, it's in here.
Somewhere. Yep. Oh yeah, they poison ivy. This stuff is thick. Yeah, I really need to invest in some mud boots, because you never know when you'll be found when you find yourself in a position like this. Look, pretty much I'm in a swamp, but she says somewhere around here is a nice maple. I think it's a maple with a nice vine on it. I was gonna get it for her and make it for her, because she's allowed me to come out here and harvest walking sticks. Somebody's texting me. Spider web. Ugh. When the leaves come out, the spiders do too. Me? Oh, this little thing. I'm surprised he did too. But yeah, there's tons of good maples. Actually, this little bay tree. See the leaf? It looks like a maple a little bit. Grows like it too. But I've tried steam bending them before. I probably was doing something wrong, but I tried steam bending before and they just snapped in half. Spider. So many spider webs. Oh crap. You gonna make it? There he is. He made it. That you know of, the government hides everything. He's gonna get it. All right, just ate a quick lunch and went ahead and got my tools. I got my saw, my strap, and I got a pair of loppers in my back pocket. Not loppers, pruners in my back pocket. So I'm heading back in. My aunt showed me around for a little while, just to show me, kind of the extent of her land. I've been back here before, but I haven't really been able to explore it all. But anyway, I'm on the prowl. I'm looking for some maple, some oak, and I still had the other land to go to in a little bit that I don't really know what's over there. Really don't know. But I'm pretty excited to go check that out. It's just me by myself for a couple hours. No problem at all. So this is my second time coming here to harvest walking sticks. They were so awesome to let me come again. The first time I came, they pretty much paid me in walking sticks. I cleaned up their yard a little bit and they let me harvest around again. But you can see that video here. And right now, what I'm really looking for, actually I'm looking for my three mains, sweet gum, maples, and oaks. But mostly the maples and the oaks this time around. I know that there's a bunch of maples down here because there's a creek down that way, and the creek leads this way. There's more maple this way. Bays do. What the heck was that? Oh, I thought I stepped on something I shouldn't have. So here's a nice oak I just found right here. Like I saw, I just laid it to market. It's a very nice oak up until that point there, and that's easily 7 foot tall. And I could probably get a little bit more after that, but this is what I'm going for. Very nice oak. There's really not that many old branches on it, which will make it easier for stripping the bark off. Way easier. But something I want to try is, you can see it just down here. I don't even know if you can see it that well on the camera, but you can see where it's kind of mounded over and rounded over a little bit, where the root ball might be a little bit bigger than the top. From the past, some of the craft shows that I went to, some folks were just wanting that ball up top, and so I'm also looking for that. And I have to just to get a bunch of the root balls of any of the trees that I see. See, there's another oak over there that I don't see another root ball looking side on the top of it. But anyway, let me go ahead and get this started. I need to watch out for that poison ivy. Poison ivy is out here like crazy, and I don't want to be itching later on. So let's get it going. All right, so here's a little mistake that I made, and I'll show you real quick. I was trying my best to get this whole root ball here, but the problem is I didn't cut all the way through. I just cut to about halfway, hoping it would break, but the root ball was a little bit bigger than I thought it was. The root was shooting this way and shooting this way, and I ended up, you can see it right there, splitting it up the middle, and at that point it's just no good. So I just cut it up a little bit higher than that, and I got a pretty nice one out of it. You can see it's pretty long right there, maybe 12 foot long. Whew, guys, it is muggy here in the little swamp. I am sinking in my mud. I will invest in some mud boots at some point. Yeah, this is where we were earlier when she was trying to find this nice little walking stick with a vine on it. But let me show you guys a little something real quick. So right now I told you I'm going for maples, oaks, and sweet gum. That's my three main staple species that I use for walking sticks because they grow in abundance, in my location here in South Georgia. Maples and the bay tree, they look close to the same, you know, when it comes to the bark. They look like this. And this is a maple. Okay, so there are a few differences, and the bay tree has these types of leaves here. Very, you know, elongated leaves. You know, they're very smooth around the edges and everything like that. Like almost a teardrop oval kind of shape. I forget the name of it. But the bark looks very similar to maple. Whereas maple looks just like that. Everybody knows what a maple looks like. This is a 3-leaf red maple that grows in abundance here in southeast Georgia. Like, they grow everywhere. But the reason why I like maples over bay, and like I said, I may not have tested it in the past as much as I should have, but a maple tree can steam bend a whole lot quicker, or not even quicker, it can steam bend a whole lot easier, and it's I just have experience with it, whereas the only experience I have with a bay tree is I go to try to steam bend it, it don't steam bend, it just snaps. I mean, they grow fairly straight, so if you're trying to steam bend it, you know, get some crooks out of it. If you're looking for a red bay, or not a red bay, is it a red bay? If you're looking for a red bay tree, you have no problem getting a straight tree. Whereas maple, as it dries, it likes to, you know, get crooked. But anyway, I got this nice solid maple here, actually 2 of them. There's another one I saw somewhere over here. Oh, actually, there it is. Right there, I got to trim that guy up. I just got this monster down. It was growing off the side of this bigger tree. It was going to die in the future and get broken off. But fell in this creek here. Look how long it is. Oops, that was dead. Anyway. All right, so here's my harvest. You can see it's 8 sticks here, which may end up being about 16 sticks because a lot of these are over twice the size, actually way over twice the size of what I would normally cut a walking stick. And for anyone that might be curious as to how I drag these sticks out of here, or why I have them lined up the way that I do, I just figured it out years ago that it's just easier to drag with the heavy end out, and usually the heavy end, the largest end, is the end that was closest to the ground whenever you chop down the tree. Next thing is, well, there's 2 reasons for that. A, the weight's on your side versus down at the end dragging in the mud and grabbing everything, and you know, it's heavier and lighter, making it easier on you. And number 2 is the branches are working with you, not against you. And what I mean by that is, if you drag the trees with the light end or the top of the tree out first, a tree grows like this, up. And if you cut the tree, you know, whenever you cut the tree down and you want to drag it out with the top of the tree out first, the branches could be dragging and just making it worse for you. If you were dragging the tree out like I'm dragging it here, they're going to be coming out like this, working with you. But most of the branches I chop off, or chop them, you know, close to the tree themselves to make it easier anyway. Easier on the drying, easier on the cleaning back at the truck. I just leave the branches in the wood so I don't have a mess by my truck. There's multiple reasons why. Anyway, that's how I do it. Folks might have other ways and other reasons of why they do it, but let me go ahead and see if I can get these lined up best I can, and that way it'll make it easier. Sorry if I'm sniffing a little bit. It is hot and humid out here. Apparently grass pollen is high, and I think it's just because it's hot and I got a big nose. All right, but you just pull it tight. It's not even a ratchet strap. I forget what they're called, but all I know, I don't need to call it anything as long as it works. And I just pull it tight. And I got 1 oak and 7 maples in here. And I could easily get 16 or more walking sticks out of here, but I've got to drag it to the truck. I might have to take a few breaks, but let's go. What you doing down there? So I got some help. They're gonna help me drag it out of here. So I'm gonna tie it up to the hitch here, or I'll just I'll just loop it in. No biggie at all. Free labor. Drop my pruners. Goodness. Free labor. Thank y'all, thank y'all. Woo. All right, we are heading to the next location, the second location. My aunt and uncle are gonna take me there. It's actually right across from their old home. I'm gonna go fishing over there a little bit and harvest some walking sticks. But anyway, let's go get it. We got a little severe thunderstorm warning coming this way. It should be here in a couple hours, so hopefully I'll be out of here by then. All right, see y'all.